Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. So first of all we need to go to the settings, scroll all the way down, and then we need to go to general management. Over here we need to go to Samsung keyboard settings, then scroll down and you will find theme. Now unfortunately there are not so many keyboard themes that we can apply. We have two light themes and two dark themes. So if you prefer to have more themes, then you can download another keyboard that is used on other Android devices. So we're gonna go to the Play Store. Alright, then we want to search for Gboard. This is the Google keyboard that is used on many other Android devices. And once we download it, then we want to press open. There we go. So let's open it. First we need to enable the keyboard in the settings. So over here you have Gboard. Let's tap over here and then press OK. And we can also switch the default keyboard, of course. We can immediately switch to Gboard instead. Then let's go back. And there we go. If there is even a step to select the Gboard as the default input method. So we were already ahead. We are already ahead. Let's swipe. And over here we have all set. So we can press done. And there we go. Now if we go to the theme over here, you will see that we have much more themes that we can choose from, and we can even create our own theme by pressing this plus button over here. And you can, for instance, choose a photo from your gallery. But let's say we're gonna choose like a landscape photo over here. Let's say this one. So we can tap on that picture in order to download it. Then we can select to have keyboard as or not, and then press apply at the bottom. And there we go. So we have now a custom keyboard, and let's create a note just to showcase how it looks like. There we go. Let's tap and let's press the text options. There we go. So as you can see, we have a new keyboard with a custom theme. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.